Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at the most popular engagement ring styles. These will include solitaire settings, semi-settings, as well as halo settings. First up, we have a semi-setting. The style number is 8051. It has 4 prongs and the base is 18 karat white gold. Keep in mind that you can change some of these things, like the carat of the gold or even the color of the gold. When we talk about semi-settings or semi-mounts, it refers to settings that have a row of diamonds on each side of the head. The design of that row can be simple, intricate, can be small stones or large stones, but overall, a semi-setting refers to a style that has a row of diamonds on each side of the head. This particular style has head-out prongs, and overall, it has a chic and classy looking setting. Next up, we have another semi-setting. The style number is 8001. It has 4 prongs and the base is 18 karat white gold. As said previously, you can change some of these things like the color of the metal, carat of the gold used, and also the size of the head, depending on how big a center stone you want. One of the big differences you will notice between this semi-setting and the one previously shown is the style of the head. The one previously shown had very wide and flared out prongs, while this one is a bit different. They're more straight and narrow. There are a lot of different versions of semi-settings that come with different rows of diamonds on the side, different shapes of head, and even different colors for the base metal. But generally speaking, the white base is one of the more popular versions as it really goes well with the diamond. So if you're looking for a nice setting, definitely consider this one. Next, we have the first solitaire. The style number is 7441. It has 6 prongs and the base is 18 karat white gold. Keep in mind that you can change, of course, the base color and the carat. But what's also a big difference or variation for among a lot of solitaires is the number of prongs for the head. It can be 4, 6, and possibly even a different number of prongs. When we talk about solitaire, what we're referring to is a setting with no stones or diamonds anywhere else on the setting, so it won't have any rows of diamonds to the left or right like a semi-setting, and it won't have any circles or halos of diamonds around the head like a halo setting. It's the cleanest and most traditional type of setting for an engagement ring. This is a really beautiful style, so definitely make sure to check this one out. Next, we have the first halo setting. The style number is 8004. It has 4 prongs and the base is 18 karat rose gold. This is one of the more contemporary and modern designs because it does have the circle of diamonds around the head, and also because the base is 18 karat rose, so it has a bit more color and a bit more flair with it. When we talk about halo settings, what we mean is that setting has a circle or multiple circles of diamonds around the head. That's why it's called the halo setting. Now, this particular style is a bit different because the halo is actually a vertical halo, so you don't actually see it from a top-down view. This is a really chic style and very beautiful, so if you want something with a bit of color, definitely check it out. Lastly, we have another halo setting. The style number is 7162. It has 4 prongs and the base is 18 karat white gold. One of the big differences you'll notice about this halo setting versus the previous halo setting is first the base of the metal. This one is white gold, which is a lot more common and a lot more chosen since white gold does pair really well with a white diamond, but more specifically it's going to be this style of the halo setting. As you could see from the previous one from a top-down view, you couldn't see the halo. That's the vertical halo, but this one is a classic halo style. This is the only circle of halo, but of course, you can have multiple circles of halo and even different shapes of halos. Overall, this is a really chic style of an engagement ring. So if you want something very classy, definitely check this out on our website. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the description below for links to all the products shown in this video. Also, make sure to check out our website and Instagram for a lot of other products and things we carry. And lastly, if you're on the Toronto, Canada area, give us a call or drop by our store. We'd love to see you.